Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we'll explore the Agile versus Waterfall project management by navigating through different features as presented here. What is Waterfall project management? Waterfall project management is a linear and sequential approach to managing projects. The Waterfall project management approach entails a clearly defined sequence of execution with project phases that do not advance until a phase receives final approval. Once a phase is completed, it can be difficult and costly to revisit a previous stage. Agile teams may follow a similar sequence, yet do so in smaller increments with regular feedback loops. The Waterfall project management approach follows a linear, sequential formula. It works well for work that has predictable, recurring processes, yet it can leave development teams flat-footed and unable to adjust faster than a competitor. A single missed deadline or scope change during a waterfall project can cause outsized impacts on subsequent releases. Additionally, when a team is fully focused on the next phase of work, resolving technical debt or fixing bugs can be painful if the team is fully allocated to new feature work and always pressing forward to the next stage. Below is an illustration of a standard waterfall project with rigidly segmented blocks of time. This creates a use it or lose it mentality that encourages developers, product owners, and stakeholders to request as much time as possible in each time window, since there may be no opportunity to iterate in the future. Typically, teams using Waterfall try to control scope, creep through change control, where everyone agrees the original contract is not changed. With today's customers and businesses requiring rapid responses and changes, Agile provides the flexibility to adjust and iterate during the development process. Agile project management is also a cornerstone of DevOps practices, where development and operations teams work collaboratively. Agile project management is an iterative approach to delivering a project, which focuses on continuous releases that incorporate customer feedback. The ability to adjust during each iteration promotes velocity and adaptability. This approach is different from a linear waterfall project management approach, which follows a set path with limited deviation. Agile versus Waterfall, key differences. Approach. Agile divides projects into small, manageable units, sprints, allowing for continuous improvement, while Waterfall follows a linear path where each phase must be completed before moving on. Flexibility. Agile can adapt to changes even late in the development process, whereas Waterfall is rigid and changes are expensive once a phase is completed. Customer involvement. Agile involves customers throughout the process for feedback and iteration. Waterfall usually involves customers only during the initial requirements phase and final delivery. Delivery speed. Agile focuses on delivering working software frequently, whereas Waterfall delivers a complete product at the end. Risk management. In Agile, risks are identified and addressed early with continuous testing. Waterfall may uncover issues late in the process, making them costly to fix. Team collaboration. Agile promotes collaboration between cross-functional teams, while Waterfall involves specialized teams working in clearly defined stages. Advantages and disadvantages for each approach. Advantages of Agile approach are: advantages of Agile: faster feedback cycles leading to improved customer satisfaction, early identification of problems and reduced risk, faster time to market with incremental releases, increased collaboration and accountability, flexibility in prioritizing tasks based on value. Advantages of a waterfall approach are: well-defined phases make planning and execution easier. Clear documentation ensures consistency and accountability. Cost estimation is more predictable after requirements are defined. Works well for projects with fixed, unchanging requirements. Disadvantages of Waterfall are limited flexibility, making scope changes difficult, increased risk of wasted effort due to unforeseen challenges, communication overhead when transitioning between phases, less engagement from stakeholders compared to Agile. Disadvantages of Waterfall are disadvantages of Agile requires an organizational shift and learning curve. Dependencies and critical paths may be less structured than in Waterfall. Continuous deployment requires advanced technical capabilities. A shifting to Agile requires embracing iterative development and a mindset focused on adaptability. Organizations transitioning from Waterfall must consider the following: product owners and prioritization. Agile teams rely on product owners to prioritize tasks, ensuring the most valuable work is done first. Incremental roadmaps. Agile roadmaps are flexible and evolve based on continuous learning and stakeholder feedback. Lean requirements and backlogs. Agile requirements remain dynamic, focusing on essential functionality and shared team understanding. Data-driven decision-making. Agile metrics such as burn-down charts and work in progress (DYP) limits help teams track progress and identify bottlenecks. Culture of trust and collaboration. Agile thrives on open communication and trust among team members, enabling quick decision-making and problem-solving. Agile project management has revolutionized software development and beyond, offering teams the ability to deliver high-quality products faster and more efficiently. While Waterfall provides a structured approach ideal for certain projects, Agile offers the flexibility to adapt to change and continuously improve. By fostering collaboration, accountability, and responsiveness, Agile empowers teams to deliver solutions that truly meet customer needs. Whether adopting Agile, Waterfall, or a hybrid approach, the key to success lies in aligning the project methodology with the business objectives, team dynamics, and stakeholder expectations. That brings us to the end of this video. We've covered its powerful features, practical use cases, and how it can transform your project management process. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how your team to work smarter and achieve more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content like this. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.